So hi Kathleen,
Hi, Jane.
how are you doing? You work for Amway,
That's right.
and tell me what you were up to today at Amway Business
Today
Centre.
we called it Green Day because we have a launch of our new green apple energy drink flavour. So we had a competition every hour. 2 people pitted against each other, and people around it got to taste the smoothies, and then we had people in between just all day basically. It was so much fun. Honestly, it's just really something completely different, and it's a great way to showcase your products. We're there, because we've got energy drinks, we've got protein powders, we've got meal replacements. So those were all included. People really enjoyed it. It just creates a wonderful, really festive atmosphere. And so we were thrilled, and we'll definitely be using the smoothie bites again as part of our events.
That's fantastic news. Hey, thank you very much, Kathleen.
Thanks, Jane.